that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry. Did I think I'd turn around and say, now it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Too late to apologize. Ano yun? Huh? Wait lang. I take another chance, take a phone, take a shot for you. Need you like a heart, needs a beat, it's nothing new. Yeah, I love you with fire red, you're turning blue. And you say, sorry the angel, haven't let me think was you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. Yeah. Wait lang, magkawala. I said it's too